Hello, this video is for my assignment course, Electrical System. These are my team members. And my lecturer Dr. Muhammad Khairi bin Apiran. The topic we have chosen is hydroelectric power system. Hydro energy is the energy generated by the force of water. It is considered a renewable energy source because the water cycle is constantly renewed by the sun. This is a powerful way of generating electricity. Hydro energy is converted into electric energy by hydroelectric power plant. And this energy is called hydroelectricity. Hydroelectric power plant requires a water reservoir. Potential energy brings water down to the turbine, where mechanical energy is produced. Cause the generator to produce the electricity. Hydropower or hydroelectricity is the conversion of energy from flowing water into electricity. It is considered a renewable energy source because the water cycle is constantly renewed by the sun. Today, modern hydro plants produce electricity using turbines and generators. The mechanical energy created by moving water spins rotors on a turbine. This turbine is connected to an electromagnetic generator which produces electricity when the turbine spins. There are two main types of hydroelectricity production, which are dams and run-of-river. Hydro dams utilize the potential energy from dammed water to produce electricity. A dam is a large barrier constructed to raise the level of water and control its flow. The elevation created by the dam creates gravitational force for turning the turbine when water is released. Some dams also contain an additional reservoir at their base where water is stored to be pumped to the higher reservoir for release when electricity is in demand.
For basic construction, there are 5 major parts, including dam and reservoir, control gate, penstock, water turbine and generator. Dam is normally constructed in hilly areas for sufficient water storage at height. A large water reservoir formed behind it. Besides, control gate will control the amount of water allowed to flow from reservoir through the penstock to rotate the turbine at the end of the penstock. Moreover, water turbine is mechanically coupled to an electric generator which mounted in the powerhouse shaft to generate electricity. Lastly, electricity will step up by the transformer and transmit to the users.
The basic components of a hydropower plant are the dam, generator, transformer and turbine. There are two main constructs of dams. Concrete gravity and arch types are made of concrete, reinforced concrete, or masonry. While filled dams are made of soil and rock. Next is the generator. The rotor is made of continuous loops of a single wire made of insulated enameled copper wire. The stators on smaller generators are made of permanent magnets. In the case of larger ones such as the ones in hydropower plants, electromagnets are used instead. The type of wire used as the main current-carrying conductor in a transformer winding is either copper or aluminum. In all types of transformer construction, the central iron core is constructed from a highly permeable material made from thin silicon steel laminations. For the turbine, the most common material used for water turbines are austenitic steel alloys that have 17% to 20% chromium to increase stability of the film, which improves aqueous corrosion resistance. This is because the turbine blades in a water turbine are constantly exposed to water and dynamic forces. They need to have high corrosion resistance and strength. Before we move on to build a dam, we must first study the statistical failures that will possibly happen. Which are overflowing, material structure failure, foundation instability, unpredictable nature's settlements, inadequate maintenance, and incompetent filtration system. Therefore, these elements are made to be kept an eye out. Site investigation, field and laboratory testing, seepage control design, hydrological study, dynamic loading, foundation design, slope stability, project goal, landmark, and river diversion. Even if we can only bend what we could, the rest are elevated to a satisfactory level. The famous Three Gorges Dam of China. It was built between 1994 to 2006 in Yangtze River. It has 32,700 megawatt turbines and generates a maximum total of 22.5 gigawatt power. It also holds the record of the biggest hydroelectrical generator and the largest dam in the world.
These are some references.